All right, everyone. The US session done and dusted. I was down around just over 2% on the US account, which actually isn't too bad, but as you can see, a lot of red. NGA was up. I still hold 97 shares of NGA. I think it closed at about mid 25s or so. I got in 1120 with 300 shares, so 97 left. Just, I guess, in regards to, you know, positioning. I haven't liquidated anything yet. I've got about 12 positions currently open as well. All right, so I guess let's have a look at the 5-day change. So Adobe, there's that. Apple, ARKG. So not too bad on ARKG, Genomic Revolution ETF with ARK Invest ETF, ARKK, BFT. So not too bad. BFT, GNOG, TAN, NGA is actually up on only good things. Square, 3.95 to 2 Chef. Tesla down 41.9%. The high must have been like near 900, it must have got to. So, but that's been up a lot. So we'll see if, people come in and take advantage of the value or if we see some more downside. So, Apple was probably the hardest hit. I've got the most in Apple. I've got about 16K in Apple, as you can see. So that's that. And then quite a bit in Tesla as well, about 11,000 in Tesla. So that is that situation, guys. Let's close this actually. And let's bring up some charts. Let us bring up some charts and things that I'm looking at as well. So sipping some coffee. All right. So on the daily, Tesla did hold up a little bit. They had earnings. There was a little bit of a miss as well, as you can see. There's a little bit of miss on here though as well, and it's still just sort of sold off a little bit. But with the context that we're seeing currently with the inflows into GameStop and AMC, BlackBerry, Nokia, the dips haven't been bought here. So it's not unheard of. We had a little bit of dipping here and then it just gaps up. That was quite apparent, obviously during the split in September. Anyway, so Apple, I don't really have, in regards to liquidations, I'm not really looking to do that quite yet. I just want to see what Monday brings. So we've got that. We've got NGA. It's the first time I've actually scanned the charts. This morning it's already 10:30. The morning's on so fast. Like, what is up with that? So 25.54. So we might see a little bit more risk on sentiment potentially in the SPAC market. We've got that. We've got GNOG that I still hold. That actually is a stock now. 1960 was the entry there. I'm still holding that. BFT. Everything ran up really well last week. So, we've been spoiled. 14.55 was the entry on BFT. Let's have a look at BNGO. So that actually held. So that's got some substance to it. Ethereum's cooled a little. Bitcoin cooled a little as well. They got up to 38 or so thousand last night. Oh my goodness. I guess, I'm just sort of going to scan a few potential plays here to see what happened last night as well. So CCIV was up as well. So there's still some interest in EVs. I guess discussing with a good friend of mine about it all, Jackson, about positioning and quality of stocks. And, I guess you've just got to know when to call it, when you're going to ride it out or when you will liquidate and reposition at the sign of a bounce. I've got like 72,000 US dollars in the markets right now in the US. So, and this week got kabooshed. And it's been running up really nicely. So I guess Monday is going to be interesting. There's a lot of, dips that have taken place. Will the buyers come in or not? And that's the thing. It might just be neutral. S&P 500 was down, 1.89%. So it's pretty ugly. But, it's holding 3,700. Let's see. Let's see what happens. I'm an optimist. I can't help it. But time will tell. And, pre-market about 9 o'clock Monday night, I might make a video just to see what's going on. Because I do like to make it. It keeps me accountable. Because I'm sharing it publicly with everyone. And that's the strategy that helps me, is keep accountable, So I'm not on a trading floor or anything like that in a prop firm. It's just me, my office, just trading my money. So let's see what happens. Will the market officially start turning really bearish, or will it be like a rebound? It's going to be really, I'll be intently watching and seeing what happens. But Monday, pre-market, let's see. Let's see what happens. It's still a weekend. Some positivity. Enjoy the weekend. Rest up. I'm just sort of scanning as I'm talking as well. SPRQ as well. So that's actually a potential play. SPRQ. Things seem to have rotated out of ARK Invest and into plays like this potentially. So we'll see. This has had a nice little run up. Just some specs that are well priced. IA, CA as well. And then we've got iPod and That's someone I'm looking at. There we go. It's this one. It's up on the bounce. IPOE as well. Pause the video. Feel free to take some notes on what. Oh my goodness, look at that bad boy. See that? It's unfortunate. Really the ARK stuff I could have rotated out of. Gone into that. But you've got to be really actively involved in this game. And you get caught sleeping sometimes. And I acknowledge that. Let's have a look at actually how GameStop closed as well. Up 67%. Unreal. Anyway. Alright, I think that's the video, guys. In summary, no liquidations have taken place for me. I'm still in the market. All my positions are still open. We'll see what Monday brings. Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.